This Canton fair, we mainly recommend our wholesale products. By our sales experience, we found kitchen rack, storage rack, cabinet rack are the most popular wall shelves in the market. We will have put our product photos on this backboard. So later, I will show these main products and their relative products in batches. Please follow up with us. If you want our catalog, if you want our catalog, or if you have your own inquiry products, please leave us message or contact our sales. First, let's have a look at our 3 tiles kitchen rack. Item number is CJC1042. And this product is packed by this special handle brown box. So besides this brown box packing, we also have white box with color label and color box, but their price and MOQ are different. Brown box with handle, we have MOQ 200, but no additional cost. And this one we have MOQ 300. The additional cost is 40 cents. And this color box MOQ is 500, 80 cents per set additional packing cost. Okay, let's open the box to see how we pack it. 3 shelf. Each shelf space has this plastic gasper to protect the packing. After assembly, this part is thrown out. And between the shelf, the post is put bamboo on between the shelf to save the space. First, this is the plastic parts. And this is the instruction. For the instruction, we can add your logo, and we can make the instruction as the product. Now the instruction is the standard one. The parts. Main parts is plastic clips. Every set of our shelf will offer 2 extra for spare parts. Then 4 pieces leveling feet. Yeah, 4 pieces. First, screw the leveling feet into the post bottom like this way. Then snap the plastic clips onto the poster grooves. Inside the plastic clips, there is a ring. Please make sure this ring is matched the grooves. When you assemble the plastic, please make sure 4 posts at the same height. At the same height. Then, for the shelf, you have to make sure that the correct direction. For this shelf, this way is the correct direction. The bottom is big, the top is small. Then slide the post from the bottom to the top. Repeat the second post. Our assembly is no tools, no need additional tools, just handmade assembly. Now first, when for poster, slide into, put the shelf down, and make sure all the part, all the corner fit very well. Then assemble the second one. The most important is to make sure that all the plastic clips at the same position, same poster groups. This shelf for kitchen, the small size, usually our shelf frame is facing up. The top layer is usually assembled at the top grooves, but you also can change. Now the 3 tiles kitchen rack is well assembled. After assemble, use a rubber hammer to kick on corners to make all the shelf firmly assembled. So when you press into the plastic, the corner shelf is down to the is firmly assembled on the plastic clips. Then each shelf, then I introduce our product features, our product advantages. Each shelf can load 40 kilo. One bag of our rice bag, one rice bag, 5 kilo. Now this shelf load 8 bag of rice, so it's 40 kilo a shelf. You see that the shelf is still flat, no bend in the middle. It's strong enough to load 40 kilo a shelf. And 3 shelves can load 120 kilo a set. And well shelf is multifunctional. It's not only used in the kitchen, but also can be used in the bay window, and the desktop to storage succulent and other green plants. And when you want to store big stuffings, big containers on this rack, when you feel that it can not suitable the size, suitable the height, you can adjust the shelf space. Use hammer to kick on and make the shelf up. Adjust the plastic clips. Well, on the poster there is a double circles to distinguish the position when you're assembling with your partner. Now put the shelf, okay, this one. So it's very important to make all the plastics at the same position. It's very important. Otherwise, the assembly is not correct. So now, this big box can be storage on the shelf. And besides, we would like to introduce our additional parts, additional accessories for this kitchen rack. Most of our clients will choose these side hooks for kitchen rack use. The side hooks can be hanged by this side and this side. But most clients like hand on this side. Besides this kind of set hook, we also have these styles. And we also have S hook. Simple S hook and the plastic hooks. So you can choose which one do you like, and tell to our sales. Okay, hand on this. The item number for this item, is CJC1042. And besides this item, we also have other kitchen rack for your choice. These are the second one. These are hot sale in the market. This one is special, the top shelf. The top shelf is basket shape, small basket shape. It's good for storage the bottle product. The item number for this is CJC1183. And this one is 2 basket styles. The item number is CJC14000. If you like this item, please tell our sales and quote the best price. This one is square shape. Both 2 layers and 3 layers are our hot sale product. This one, this item is black. It's in powder coating black. Besides black color, we also can produce white, and let me show you the colors we are making. This is gray, silver. Okay. This is carbon gray, matte brown, and warm gray, white color. If you have your own colors, you can tell us, we can customize for you. And PP mat is also can be put on the shelf. And it's easy clean. Can be washed. It can be washable. And it's better for kitchen rack. Put the PP mat. It's better to store small bottles. So these are our hot sale kitchen racks. Please tell us which one do you like and tell us the item number.